What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to get the FC Mobile 26 mod menu for free, and it's fully working on both iOS and Android. As you can see on my screen, this mod gives you access to all the top hacks. We're talking auto goals, unlimited coins and points, perfect skilled, auto speed, freeze goalkeeper, and so much more. Before we start, there's one crucial first step. Make sure your FC mobile game is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates. If there's nothing, you're good to go. The next step is super simple. Head down to my pinned comment below this video. I've left a direct link and explained exactly where you can safely download FC Mobile Double Plus. If this free method works for you, please leave a like on the video. It really helps the channel out. That's all for this one. See you in the next video. Bye.